beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Have you guys been doing? Welcome to 2020. Happy New Year. This is my first video for 2020 and I'm so excited. It's going to be about my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy. Tell me how was the festive season for you. So yeah, let's get into the video. I've already washed my face. I used my soap to wash my face. I usually use a face cleanser, but that is finished. I just used my soap, so I've done that already. I'm just going to jump into my face scrub. So what I do next is, after washing my face, I go into scrubbing my face. So I'll be using the this tea tree facial scrub here for you guys, which can be gotten in any supermarket of your choice. So any supermarket you get to, just check for it. Not this particular one, you can use any one of your choice. So I take that particular quantity, but I still take more if I want to, and then just rub it all over my face, and use my hand to will I say rub it all over. Yeah, that's basically what I do. Of course, it shouldn't get to into your eye. So like you can see, I took more here, and then I'm just rubbing it into my face. And then, because I don't want to go into the shower and out, I'm just going to use this face towel to clean my face. Take it all out. So what you're supposed to do is go to the shower and rinse it off, but I'm just going to use this to clean it all. And yeah, clean that properly.
Okay, so cock crowing in the background in case you guys hear. I just realized that everywhere is quiet. I'm sorry if my voice sounds funny. That's because I just woke up, okay, to film this video. This is actually like 6 a.m. in the morning. I wanted to film this video last night before going to bed, but I was really tired and exhausted, and I was like, okay, I was going to wake up by 4 a.m. and trust me, I had my alarm rang and I just went back to bed. But yeah, if I sound funny and look like I'm still sleepy, just know that I'm just waking up to film this video. Anyway, so this is my simplest, most basic skincare routine. Okay, this is just the normal steps I take when I'm doing my skincare routine, nothing so serious. So I've done the whole facial scrub and I showed you guys what I used. Because I don't want to go to the shower to go and wash my face, I just have a bowl of water and my face towel here. So I'm just going to take that and clean up, which I've used to actually clean up my face. So I'm just going to move on to the next thing. What I do after scrubbing my face, because what I do is clean. Definitely want to wash your face, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the face scrub that I used. I mean the face wash I used, because mine is finished and I don't know how I just threw away the bottle. I totally forgot, and I've not even gone to buy another one, and I didn't want to just start waiting. I don't want to postpone this video, but I'm just going to leave a picture of the particular face wash that I used. So it's important that when you're buying stuff and you're not sure of the kind of skin you have, make sure you buy for all skin types. You could see that the facial scrub says for all skin types, which is very important, okay? Anyway, so moving on to the next thing. After scrubbing my face, what you want to do is going with a face mask. I have two options here. I have the Queen Helen Mint Julep mask, this one, and I have this black mask. This one dries off and then you peel it. I actually prefer this. I feel like this one is like you rub it on your face and then when it dries you wash off, but this one is a peel off mask and I prefer a peel off mask. I don't know, I feel like this works more for me, but I don't know if it's because of the kind of skin I have, or people are actually different. This might really work for some people, this might really work for some people, and this, so I don't know. This one, I just feel like I prefer this. I don't know why, but I actually prefer peel off mask. So this is the one I'm using, this black charcoal peel off mask. You can use any one of your choice. Just go to your supermarket or wherever you buy your skincare stuffs from, and look for a charcoal peel off mask. I think this one says, although this doesn't say for all skin types though, but this hasn't given me any reaction whatsoever. So just be careful when you're buying. Just look for what really works for you. But yeah, a charcoal peel of max is fine, or any one of your choice really is fine. So this is what I'm using. So let's go ahead. Okay, so while we're waiting for it to dry, I've set my timer to 15 minutes. Okay, this is 13 already. I've set my timer to 15 minutes, so while we're waiting for that to dry, let me just tell you guys a bit of something. So for the peel off mask, it says, so you have to follow the instruction. It says, wait for 15 to 20 minutes before gently ripping it from top to bottom. Use warm water to clean, dry and apply shrink pores. Whatever. But yeah, I always wait for 15 minutes and then peel off. Anyways, I wanted to say this skincare routine, I do mine. Depends if you've not been doing a skincare routine, like if you've not been scrubbing your face and all that, and you should do that every day. Because the truth is, when you start doing it, you will notice a difference on your face. Like, you'll notice that your face is a lot smoother, and when your face is a lot smoother, makeup goes on a lot smoother on your face. So it's important to do a skincare routine. This is very basic, nothing too serious. You don't have to spend so much money to buy all this stuff, so it's important to do that. Anyways, yeah, so for this this face mask, I don't use it every day. I use it like, truth is, I'm supposed to use it like 3 times a week, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use it just once a week because out of laziness, or you guys might have a baby, so sometimes I'm just I'll be having my bath, like I'm always rushing, like, okay, I want to go take a bath before he wakes up or something, because I don't have a nanny, it's just me. So but you're supposed to do this like 3 times a week depending on your skin. But if you're just starting out, you should do this every day. And then when you notice a difference in your face, then you start doing like every, maybe you do today, the next day you don't do the next day. So that's the way I do it. I do it today, I do it tomorrow, I do the other day. So it's important you do this skincare routine. It's important. And what else I want to say? So when you're buying this stuff, if you're not sure of your skin, like I said, look for the one that says for all skin types. That you're safer on that side than just buying what when you're not sure. But this Queen Helen Max says for oily and acne prone skin. Me, I'm not someone who has always had acne issues, but this particular skincare routine would still work for you. So I know I get oily on my T-zone area, so yeah, I think this would help too. So I think when you are oily on your skin T-zone area, you're under combination skin. But anyways, if you're not sure, you could read up about skin types to know where you fall, and then you equally have to give yourself time, pay attention to your skin, to your face, so that you know where you fall under all those things. Me, I fall on a combination skin because I always get oily on my T-zone area. So yeah, what else do I want to say? And let me tell you something, doing a skincare routine helps your makeup to be a lot better. Okay, it's not just applying makeup and putting on the whole foundation, concealer, this, that you have to make sure that you clean up your skin properly. I know that sometimes when we come back, maybe after going out, you could be really tired, but that's true. My skincare routine, I do it in the morning most times. I know people have nighttime skincare routine, but I don't have that. If I don't do this in the morning, then I do it at night. So yeah, it's important you clean up properly. And I'm going to be doing a makeup video. That one will be coming up after this. How I take off my makeup, how that will be on Get Ready With Me. So it's important you clean up that makeup up. Don't just go and take soap or face wash and wash your face and you think no. In fact, there are steps to it, so that will become up, so watch out for that. Yeah, so the time now is, let me check. I cancelled my timer. But well, usually I know when it's dry, okay, I know when it's beginning to, but the nose, I think I put so much on the nose, this part is not so dry, so just chill. I don't know how I cancelled really. I don't know how I cancelled. So you're always gonna wait for this to dry off completely and then I'll be coming back. So guys, I'm back. I haven't started peeling this off, forgetting I was filming the video. You can see I've removed this already, so yeah, so I'm just going to remove it because it's dry. Usually what I'll do is I'll just start squeezing my face like this so that they start coming off on their own. You know, on the stuff they said gently rip from top to bottom. Chika is starting from bottom to top. So guys, I've peeled the whole face mask off. You guys can see how fresh my face is looking, how smooth my skin feels. Like, yeah, that is what it does. Oh my gosh, like the feeling, as in once I finish my skincare routine, I just feel like, oh man, I've done one, as in I've achieved something huge, because these days I don't do it as frequent as I used to anymore. Like, I mean guys, being a mother, you have to learn how to multitask. Like, you have to multitask. So yeah, anyways, so this is what I do and I'm happy I'm able to film this video today. So yeah, after doing that, the next thing that I do is I go in with my glycerin and rose water. I just discovered this. Actually, it's like a toner. It's like a toner, something like that. So I use this to go all over my face with my cotton pad. So yeah, I'm just going to take one cotton pad. Then this just helps to hydrate your face, makes your skin feel good, gives it all the vitamins and all that I need. Oh yeah, what do I do? So after doing that, just give it a bit of time to sink in and dry up. Then I go with my face moisturizer. So for my face moisturizer, I use this Oral Gold 24K Deep Moisturizer. This is quite expensive. This is like the most expensive. In fact, this one alone can buy every other thing that is here and there'll still be enough change. This is the most expensive stuff on my skincare routine, but you don't have to buy this one. There are other affordable brands of face cream, face moisturizer that you can use. Your Cetaphil, there's yeah, I'm just very sure of Cetaphil, but there's so many other ones that you can use, but this is the one I use for now, and this works really well for me. So it says White Gold Daily Essentials, Oral Gold Cosmetics 24K Deep Moisturizer. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take that, apply on my face, and that's it. My skincare routine is done. Nothing, you can see it's very basic and straightforward, nothing too simple. I think people do a lot more than this, but this is just what I do. And if you're starting off, this is what you should start with. First of all, just know you need to clean your face, that's wash your face, scrub, mask, and then apply your toner, and then your face moisturizer. So that's basically it. And so guys, this is what I do. And okay, sorry, I even forgot. For my skin, I know most times you just concentrate on the face most of the time. For my skin, this is what I use. This is the I swear I don't even know, Cool Spa Salt Scrub Bath. Well, this is the body scrub I use. I love this. It comes in different let's say fragrances or different colors or different combinations, something like that. But this one is milk, and I love this one. Like when you use this on your skin, gosh, like your skin feels so soft and smooth. Like I don't know how to explain. This is really cheap. I think this is just 1,000 naira, or I don't know how much to be right now. I bought this last year and it was 1,000. I don't know how much it's gonna be now. This is really good. It has the one that is turmeric. Like I said, this is milk. The one that is turmeric, it has that one. It has different this thing, but I bought the turmeric one. It was good, but I still prefer this one. Like this is the one that I like. So yeah, this is what I use for my body scrub. So normally after having your bath, you scrub. So this is what I go for. And yes guys, that's my skincare routine. Very simple, very basic. So if you're looking for a simple skincare routine, you should check this out. And my makeup, how I take up my makeup video will be coming up soon, so watch out for that. So how's 2019 going for you guys? This is my first video of 2019. Oh my gosh, like I should have said this before starting the video, but anyways, happy new year to you guys, and I wish everybody a beautiful and successful 2019. You guys, don't forget to subscribe. This channel needs to surpass 1,000 subscribers this year, and this channel needs to be monetized, okay, because your girl is putting in a lot of work into this, and this channel just needs to grow. Okay, so tell your friends, tell everybody, give this video a like, okay, thumbs up, everything this video needs. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.